In this video, we want to talk about AMD. They reported their third quarter results last night with earnings in line with forecasts and revenue that slightly beat expectations. AMD said its data center business doubled its sales for the second quarter in a row, but overall revenue guidance for the fourth quarter was in line with consensus, and that's probably why we see the stock selling off at the opening of the U.S. markets. Now, let's do a top-down analysis, multi-frame analysis. We're going to start with the monthly chart. And I like to draw and mark up the charts like a football field. That wick high is going to be one part of the end zone, and this wick low is going to be another part of the end zone. And roughly at 180, we're going to call that the 50-yard line. And typically at the 50-yard line, buyers and sellers are equally distributed, meaning that price is at equilibrium, meaning that price is selling at fair value or bought at fair value. Anything below this 180 level, you at a discount. Anything above, you're selling at a premium. You can break it down even further. And you can actually mark it as cheap or cheaper. Cheap, expensive, and then more expensive. So these regions are broken up in quadrants. Again, why did price sell off? It was expensive. Why did price move higher? Well, it was cheap. I do want to mark up this level here. We're going to call that monthly buyers. All right, let's drill down to the weekly chart, because I want to show you a beautiful level that did work out back in August. We have this rally in price, basing candles, and then a rally out, which included a gap higher, taking out the pivot high to the left. We have this M pattern, signifying a huge reversal pattern. Now I want to drill down to where level stop, where price stopped going down and started moving higher. Let's move our regions notation over. Let's drill down to the daily chart. So price never gave you really an opportunity to get in. You would have had to have conviction that this level was a level where buyers were willing to get their unfilled buy orders filled. Now looking at the price action on the daily chart, not the greatest, but you can see prices moved out of this area on above average volume. All right, looking at the current price action, prices are selling at right now at $151. You are approaching that fair value level. And so if you're long, your first target is going to be this gap fill near 176. I don't really see any real levels of interest, with the exception of a level that already worked out. and that was a daily buy level at 132. And because price only penetrated the zone roughly 50%, this level is still valid for potential another opportunity to get long. However, what you want to see is if price was to move down, you want to see a pattern on the lower time frame of some type of reversal, a double bottom, divergence, before considering moving higher. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.